Check this out.
I just got news that there's 3 new vacation spots provided by Taylor's Travel Agency. Take it away.
The first destination is Saturn. When you are getting ready to plan a vacation for the best spot in town, think out of the box, be spontaneous, and come on up to Saturnlandia.
Yeah, boy!
Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and if you're coming from Earth, Saturn is 9.5 astronomical units away. Saturn is in the Milky Way galaxy, which is a spiral galaxy containing billions of stars.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Saturn is a gas planet made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Saturn is larger than any other planet besides Jupiter. Saturn is roughly 95 times Earth's mass. Saturn does not have an exact color because the pole has changed colors. The 2 colors have been blue and gold.
Check this out.
Saturn has a hot inner core made up of iron and rocky material. The outer core of Saturn is made up of ammonia, methane, and water. Saturn obviously has rings that are a perfect way to set up the scene for a proposal. This planet is definitely a romantic one. Activities on this planet can vary. You can take a trip to the rings where there's an available slide for the fun for the children. When it comes to that proposal I mentioned, there's an available dome area for the romantic aspect of the vacation. There is also an agency for flash mobs that you can order for any special occasion. When it comes to tours, there are mechanical robots that have information about Saturn built into them, and they give a full, in-depth, yet quick tour of everything in your area, including a description of things and destinations outside of your area. Different sites include the Golden Hills that are right on the edge of the planet. There are stores and shows celebrating the festivities going on that week. For a luxurious stay for adults, it is $305 a night, including the hotel, a breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet, and a tour. For a child, it is $125 a night, including everything that was included for the adults. The necessities you need to pack are a big coat, some comfortable shoes, and if you're planning to propose, of course, a ring.
Halley's Comet. If you and your family have been lacking time together and are bored out of your minds, come on up to Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet is a periodic comet that returns to Earth's vicinity every 75 years, so you'll have to plan ahead of time. This vacation is sure to bring you and your family together and create a bond that will last forever. Halley's Comet is 35 astronomical units away from Earth. Halley's Comet is shaped like a peanut and is 1,024 kilometers. This comet is about 170 degrees Fahrenheit and is a purplish blue. The appearance of Halley's Comet is pretty bright and an eye-catcher. The different sites on this comet include Halley's Fun Town that consists of both games and rides for children and fancy restaurants for adults. This Comet also provides an amazing family bonding activity at the paint store, where every family member paints a star and they put the stars together at the end to create a constellation. Activities include a great tour of the comet and an amazing day full of family shops and destinations. Sites include the big star that is made of a glowing substance that you can touch and sparkle with. The price of this trip is $450, including the family hotel, activities, tour, and food expenses. The packing list includes a swimsuit for the hotel pool, tennis shoes for the hike up to the glowing star, and as many comfortable clothes as you can fit in your suitcase.
Epsilon Eridani. This 3-day vacation is full of adventure. You can come here to Epsilon Eridani, also called RAN, to explore the Great Southern Solar System. RAN is 10.5 light years away from Earth. RAN is a star in the southern constellation of Eridanus. It is south of the celestial equator. This star is 511,600 kilometers. The surface temperature of RAN is 5,084 K, and its color is yellow/orange. RAN is a circular star that is very bright. RAN is also a main sequence star that's energy generates at the core. The activities on Epsilon Eridani are a tour throughout a desert island, a real-life obstacle course, and many different sites that include statues of animals and a store that are sure to provide mementos to keep for a lifetime. A tour would include the activities that are brought to you and how they are adventurous. The price of this vacation would be $375, depending on how many guests you bring with you. This expense will cover your hotel, activity guide, and food. You should pack the most comfortable shoes you have, sunglasses, a hat, and a backpack to keep all your supplies while hiking. I'm pretty sure that's enough science for a day.
And now back to the music.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill, Bill.
I thought that was enough science!